I'm Sam Bambanza, the Executive Director, Safe Transport and Survivors Support Uganda. We are a local NGO advocating for road safety in Uganda. We are happy to partner with Tyre Express on sponsoring the launch of tire safety and standards in Uganda. This campaign is focusing on promoting tire safety knowledge, awareness, and creating public awareness to understand the tire standards in Uganda. We have done a survey, and the survey highlights that 7 to 9% of crashes are related with tires, and you should know that tires are the one that connect with the road or contact with the road, and they contribute to a number of crashes, deaths, fatalities, and loss of lives. So in this campaign, we are targeting the road users, the motorists, motorcycle users, and the consumers of tires to understand genuine and substandard tires that they can buy. So we call upon the public to join us in this tire safety and standard campaign to understand genuine and standard tires so that they can reduce crashes in Uganda.